what a blessing to meet someone like you, with eyes as dead as mine. It's fine, it's normal people things, just to lie here in silence. Hold your breath, I'll make it worth the wait. Hold your breath to your chest and come back and see me. Rub the makeup off my neck that I was using to hide the stubble rash I gave myself while shaving. Yes, it's probably a razor thing, but honestly it's harmless and I refuse to let the sensitive skin wonder what a blessing to meet someone like you, with eyes as dead as mine. It's fine, it's normal people things, just to lie here in silence. So we lie here in silence. Yes, we lie here in silence. This is normal people things, just to lie here in silence. Hold your breath.